Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today, this is a price forecast. What's going on in January 2022 with Bitcoin? We will check this together. It's the big analyze. It's not a 5-minute quick turbo daily analyze. It's a big forecast for Bitcoin, and I will show you some special things here. So guys, it's really interesting. Stay tuned, hold your pockets and bring your coffee here on the table, and let's go. So, and as always, we are starting with this one. Here is coin market cap. What's going on with Bitcoin on the day? And you can see everything is red here. Everything is bleeding. Bitcoin is going down 1.5%. In 7 days, Bitcoin is going down 5.5%. Ethereum is also going down. And you can see here, the most coins here in the top 20 are going down. Here, the next one, what's going up is Algorand. Algorand is going up 2.7%. Chainlink is going up, and Near Protocol, really nice. The biggest winner for the day, for 24 hours, Ravencoin 20%, Near Protocol 18%, and Phantom is going up with 17%. Biggest loser, SushiSwap, Cardano is going down, and Terra Luna is also going down. The biggest winner in 7 days is Cosmos. Atom is going up with 38%. Wheelers and Phantom is also going up, really nice. Biggest losers, Cadena, Gala, and Cardano. Oh, Cardano is going down, not good. Solana is going down, not good. Mana is going down. Damn, okay guys, these are the biggest losers here in the week. So let's move on. Here is the dominance, and the dominance is going down. You can see it's 39.4%. That's not good. Ethereum dominance is growing a little bit, 20.3%, but you can see the Bitcoin dominance is going down more and more and more. So let's move on. Fear and greed index, and we have extreme fear in the market. You can see 23 points fear in the market. Really bad. Yesterday 29, last week 41 points. And yes, we are going down. The fear is growing. We have extreme fear in the market. The trading view is telling us with this analysis, the summary on the daily, we should sell Bitcoin. The 4 hour is telling us, yes, we should sell our Bitcoin. 2 hour, sell Bitcoin. 1 hour, sell Bitcoin. Everything is telling us we should sell. The weekly time frame is telling us we should sell Bitcoin. This is not good. Only the months, only the monthly time frame, the biggest time frame is telling us, yes, buy. All other time frames are telling us we should sell our Bitcoin. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Here is the market cap. What's going on with the Bitcoin dominance? And yes, we are losing this support. We are going down really hard. You can see it. And that means, guys, it's better to trade altcoins. The Bitcoin dominance, this is the 1 hour time frame, is going down in this parallel channel under the big middle line, under the big support line. And yes, it is for the moment better to trade altcoins as Bitcoin. So I found this one here for you guys, and this one is really interesting because that's the meaning from other traders, from other YouTubers and influencers. And here is Justin Bennett. He has over 69,000 followers, 96,000. I have some. And he wrote here, he will buy back Bitcoin with 40,000 and 42,000 levels. He is watching that Bitcoin is going down to 42,000 and 40,000. And after this, he will go and buy back his Bitcoin. Here is also, who is here again? Let me check here. Benjamin Cohen. Benjamin Cohen is also here, and he is writing here on his channel. There was a fairly tight positive correlation between the two. He added, it would be interesting to see if Bitcoin will follow the treasury yields or the yields end up following Bitcoin. So let's watch. And here is the altcoin Sherpa. And he thinks 40,000 is the range, and he will buy back in 40,000. So yes, the most guys here are watching about the target 42,000 or 40,000. This should be a bottom, and most guys will buy back here. They are writing this here in this newsletter. So okay, we will move on to the next thing, and this is also really interesting. This is Mohsen Amini, sorry. And he is showing us this nice picture here. He thinks this line here, this curve here is the bottom for Bitcoin. And as long as we're over the curve, everything is okay. You can see here, he was euphorial, panic, anger, and capitulation. And now we should see, I hope, no depression here on the downside. I hope we will see from here the next pump to the upside. Yes, it's a possible thing. I will show you why I think it's possible in the in the video here in the next minutes. But really important is that we stay over this curve and not to fall under this curve. That's really important stuff. For the moment, we are perfectly hitting it on 45,500, and I think this is a really big support point. So the next stuff is showing us here this trader, the trader from the north, is showing us this one here, and this is the Bollinger Band. It's a Bollinger Band, okay, and he is showing us support zone 42,000 up to 45,000. Maybe we will hit this support zone, and he thinks after this we will go up to 55,000, back a little bit, and then bam, up to the upside. Yes, that's also a really nice stuff. We will watch this also in my video. On the downside, you can see here the RSI from him, and he is showing here the big spike and the lower spike, and maybe we are waiting now for the lower spike. Okay, let's check up the next stuff, and that's interesting. That's the Bitcoin stock to flow model live chart. And what will I show you here? This is this point. Look at this. The blue line here is the predicted line, and we are here for the moment a lot under this predicted line. What can we see here? The blue line is for the moment a price about 110,000, and we can see here on this point, guys, look at this, 6,800. Blue line 3,400 is the price, the green price. This was about 2019. This was the half price of this one. Now we have 108,000 and the blue line, and 46,000 at the yellow line. This is also the half price. So maybe this is now the bottom. Maybe we will see the next pump from here to the upside. If we are watching the Bitcoin stock to flow model, it's possible. It's possible to see this in the near future. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not on the next week, but maybe here in the near future. But what we also need to watch, guys, look at the blue line. The blue line is going sideways still until 2024. And that means we will see a long sideways action maybe for Bitcoin, if you're watching this stock to flow model. Okay, I hope for a nice breakout. We are starting with 180,000, 122,000 in 4 years. Okay, that's also a nice plus. So let's check the next thing. Here's the monthly time frame. What can we see? We saw on the monthly the 3 outside up, a bullish pattern. And what's happening for the moment? Yes, we're going up a little bit, but just a little bit. We need to push up more. The doji star was here on the weekly. This is also a nice pattern, and now we're going sideways a little bit. The doji star and the bullish harami are bullish pattern. We can see it here. The doji star with a medium reliability. The harami bullish is with a low reliability. But both signs here are bullish. Both patterns here are bullish. And I hope for a next move to the upside from here, guys. I hope it. I hope, Rudy. I hope. Greetings. So this is the weekly time frame. Let's check the next stuff here. Let me show you this one, the price prediction from CoinCodex. Guys, I know it. The last prediction was not beautiful. It predicted us 60,000, 57,000. What happened? Nothing. But we will check this also in the next analysis, because it's important to see all this stuff and not only one stuff. So what's going on? First of all, what can we see? We can see we may make a little pump to the upside from here, maybe until tomorrow. After this, a dump. So the dump, January the 6th, about 44,700, yes. And after this, a nice pump to the upside, up to 48,000 till the end of the week, maybe. So this is the 7 days forecast. And yes, that's the prediction. We have extreme fear in the market. If we're watching Fear and Greed, it's the same picture. Extreme fear, 23 points. Yes, this is extreme fear. I told you yesterday we saw 29, only fear. Now today we have extreme fear. Last week, 41 points fear. Okay. Now, this is the next thing. And the sentiment you can see is bearish. You see it here on the left side. And if we are going down more, what can we see? We are bullish only with 27%. And we are bearish with 73%. That's not good. Look at these indicators on the downside. The daily simple moving average is telling us, everything is telling us, SMA 3, 5, 10, everything is telling us, sell Bitcoin, everything is bearish for the moment. But now, let's check the analysis. Let's make an analysis with TradingView. This is the 1 hour time frame, and we are starting this with the 1 hour time frame. First of all, what can we see? We have here a sideways going Bitcoin chart picture here, and we can make here a parallel channel. It's a parallel channel to the upside. It's going a little bit to the upside. Let's be more bullish as bearish, and let's draw it green. So maybe this is a little bullish parallel channel to the upside. What can we see? First of all, we see a middle line, the blue middle line. this is a big resistance. You can see it, guys. So let's make it a little bit better. This was this point, this was this point. So you can see it's a little upgoing parallel channel. Let's be bullish. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame, and now we can see we are building higher lows in the 1 hour. Okay, that's nice. Everything is okay. We are building here a low and here a low. Everything is okay. First of all, we need to watch this point. It's the price about 45,650. We need to stay over this price to make not a lower low. We must make higher lows. That's important. The middle line is here 48,800 and the upper trend line 52,000. And you can see here now the big stuff what we are waiting for. If we are going up to the upside, you can see this nice things, and if you're going down, you can see it also. So let's make a red line. That's the resistance line. Big resistance on the 1 hour time frame, and let's make on the bottom. It's not so necessary, but I will show you this one. That's the baseline here, and it's a really important support. So we need to fight back out of this falling wedge. That's really important. We need to fight back this falling wedge to the upside. That's really important. So let me show you. Maybe we are going up a little bit. We are fighting here. Maybe we can break out to 48,800. This would be really nice. Maybe we will go down more and more, retesting down more and more. And then we can break out, or we will break down. That's the big thing on the 1 hour time frame, what we can show on a quick view here on this analysis. So then next stuff what I will show you is the Fibonacci retracement. On the 1 hour time frame, we also can make a Fibonacci retracement. Highest point, lowest point, and you can see, yes, these are the big targets. What can we see here? The 0.5 Fibonacci line, 48,800, is similar with our middle line. So it's a really big resistance. You can see this here. And yes, for sure, here on the upside is 52,000, a really big target, and here on the downside is 45,600, a really big target, 45,700. Depends always where we may hit this line, guys. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and that's a lot of information. Not all information, okay, but it's a lot of information. You know now the really important stuff on the 1 hour time frame. But we will like to see not the 1 hour time frame. We will make a greater overview. We will see what's going up in the next days, in the next weeks, until the end of January. So let's zoom out. Here is the daily time frame, and we are watching the daily time frame, what's going on here. Every candle is 1 day. Okay, guys, we can see this one here. And a really nice member, he is supporting me really often here. He is making a lot of comments. Thank you so much, Rudy, for supporting me. He asked me, Biti, on the daily time frame, do we make a cup and handle pattern? Yes, for sure, we are making this. I made this cup and handle pattern since days or some weeks here. I showed you this on my YouTube videos, and this is maybe on the 1 day time frame a cup and handle pattern. And guys, if we can break to the upside this cup and handle pattern, this would be awesome. We will see, or we would see, an awesome target to the upside. Let me show you baseline from, once again, here to here. This is the baseline. We can see a line from the downside to the upside. And this would be, depends now always where we will break out. Maybe we'll break out here soon, the target to the upside. And we have a nice target. Look at this. 85,000 US dollar would be the target if we can break up this nice cup and handle. Greetings to Rudy. Yes, you are right. It is a cup and handle pattern. So that's one pattern. But guys, sorry, Higgins. I promised you, no, I promised you not, but you told me not to make bearish patterns. But look at this M pattern. If this M pattern will play out to the downside, we have a really bad target. So I will not speak about this target. Let's erase it. Let's remove it. But it's also really important to watch this pattern. The M pattern is, in this opinion, a really bearish pattern with a really bad target to the downside, guys. We have a bullish pattern to the upside. This is the cup and handle. We have a bearish pattern. This is the M pattern. And we need to talk about these two patterns. But for the moment, you have this in your mind, and you keep this in your mind, guys, please. A nice target to the upside, a bad target to the downside. Depends always if we can break out of this damn bearish downtrend channel. This is really important. So let's check the next stuff here. And this is the ribbon band. On the daily, the ribbon band looks not really good. You can see it here. We are fighting under the ribbon band. We are fighting under the EMA 200 and we are fighting in the downtrend. You can see it here. Ribbon band, EMA 200. We lost everything here and we are now under this big resistance. We need to fight back this Fibonacci lines. We need to fight back the EMA 200. As long as we are on the daily under this important indicators, we are bearish. Yes, we are building a little bottom here, but we need to fight back. We need to break out of the parallel channel. So this is this stuff if you're watching the ribbon band on the daily time frame. Let's check the next thing. Move this here. And let's check the golden cross, death cross. That's also not a really nice sign. Look at this. Golden cross, yes, we are in a golden cross zone, but the green line is coming down, the red line is coming up. If we see here a cross on the daily, attention, this would be really bad. Maybe the M pattern will play out. For the moment, we are under the red line. That's also really dangerous. We need to fight back the red line and we need to come over the green line for a nice pump. If you're watching the golden cross indicator, let's remove it. So, and we have here the next big thing on the daily, a big resistance line coming from the upside. I make it yellow because I will show you a next pattern. This is maybe a next pattern. It's a triangle. It's a really big triangle. And the big question is, can we break out to the upside or to the downside? You can see it here really clear and nice. I try something to make it to the downside, but no, it's not working. No, this is also not working. Okay, let me show it like this one here. It's not so important. It's a triangle. And the big stuff is on the daily, yes, we need to break out. If we are watching now here at the end of the candles, what's going on, I think it's possible to see a really nice decision in the next days maybe, because look at this, we have not so much time here. Before we make this, I will show you this one. This is a parallel channel to the downside. Yes, we are in this parallel channel, guys, you know it. And for the other stuff on the lower time frame, we are in a parallel channel to the upside. I will draw it like this one here. Okay, so it has to be a green one because it's an uptrend. And now you can see what I mean, guys. We are in a downtrend, yes, but we are also in an uptrend in a short time frame. The big question is now, can we stay in the uptrend or will we lose it again and will we go down again? This would be a bigger dump to the downside, in my opinion. Big question is now, we have not much time until January the 10th maybe, or the 9th, we will see a decision here. I'm really sure we will see a decision. Maybe we're going down or maybe we're going up. I can't predict the future. Both sides are possible. And you know if you're breaking down what to do, and you know if you're breaking up what to do. Let's go in the 4-hour time frame. You can see it better here. Let's make it a little bit better. That's not so perfect. That's fitting also not so perfect, but here, okay, it is okay. You know what I mean. The price prediction is now the next thing we need to watch. Now we will make the price prediction day for day until the end of January. I promise you this. Remember here 43,700. This is support point number 3. We will make here a nice line before we are starting with our daily stuff. Let's make it here from here to here. That's the pivot point number 3, support point, one of the biggest things for the moment, and we need to watch it. So okay, now it's a green support. Now let's check coin codex and let's check what's going on with the next days, guys. We will see until here January the 7th a dump about 45,700, 45,500. Let's throw it. January the 7th. January the 7th. January the 7th, 45,500, 45,700. Yes. Here we are. And here we are. So we will make a price level here. What does it mean? That does mean, guys, we will break down under this triangle, under this really big support line. And this would be really bad. This would be really bad if we will lose this nice uptrend. This would be really bad if we will lose the triangle. So the next stuff is we will go up here a little bit. January the 10th. We also can make here a price level, and that's the 13th. Let me check. Here we are. Okay, something like this one. So First of all, we will go down a little bit. After this, we will go up a little bit. This would be the price prediction from CoinCodex. That would mean we would be back in a parallel channel to the upside. Nice. What is happening? Till the end of the month, January the 31st, we will hit 47,500. So let's make a price label. 47,500. No, not like this one. 47,500. Here, end of January. Here we are. Okay, and that would mean, guys, we would go down, we would go up here to 48.8, and after this, sideways and down a little back to 47,500. This is the price prediction. What is telling us CoinCodex, something like this. And guys, we will show it this on every update. I will make every day an update for you, every day a turbo update, not so long as today. Every day a turbo update about Bitcoin, and we will keep this in our mind. I will show you this. If this price prediction is working, yes or no. We will check this day for day. CoinCodex, we will check this. So, okay, this is the possible price for this month. This is the possible chart picture for this month. You know now every target to the upside. You know the big supports to the downside. And guys, this is, in my opinion, a really nice stuff. If you are trading, really, really important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. But guys, guys, sorry for the long video for today, but it's important, in my opinion, that you know this stuff, what's going on here on the next days, on the next weeks, maybe. And we try to predict the future here. And this is a really important thing. So guys, sorry for the long time. One thing before we end this video, I know it's over 20 minutes now, but one thing I would like to show you before we end. Let me show you once back again here, and let me go back to the daily chart. Let's remove all stuff. And now one thing. Elliott wave theory. Guys, you know it, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave theory to the upside and the ABC correction to the downside. My big question is now, if we are in the Elliott wave theory, in the Elliott wave upside, what is the next target? What is the next point? And guys, that's now really, really important for me to show you. And please write it in the comments if you are thinking that's a possible move, yes or not. I would be really, really interested in your meanings, guys. Please write it in the comment. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. There's the 4. Could go a little bit deeper. And then a 5. Is this for you guys a possible 5-wave Elliott wave theory to the upside? Is this for you possible to see a cup and handle and a breakout here to the upside to my target? I predicted 89,000. Is this possible for you? Yes or no? Please write it in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I wish you just the best. Very important. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not a financial advice. Please visit my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, YouTube and Twitch. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. And I hope you enjoy your days. Make it good. Have a nice time. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye-bye. System activated.